Hey dudes! Welcome back to part 3 of my Stage 1 upgrade on my Softail Street Bob. If you're following along at home, Stage 1 was we took everything off the bike, cleaned it down. Stage 2, we put a Cobra El Diablo 2-to-1 exhaust on there. And Stage 3, we're going to do an intake, or Step 3, excuse me. If you guys are following along and you want to see what comes next, the next 2 steps I'm going to have, subscription, hit that button below, comment, tell me what you think, a like would be great. So I decided to go with, for my intake, the Arlen Ness Method Cleaner. This is a cool one. It's got your see-through, so you can be able to see everything moving around in there. It also has a little port where it catches oil, apparently. You know, if you're watching kind of what's going on with these air intakes, they kind of throw oil back into the motor. It's not great. Maybe this will leave some of that. So I'm really excited to see how this looks on the bike and how it performs. So you know, this is what comes in the box. It's your standard stuff: plate, little plexiglass piece, the air intake itself, hardware, tools. I'm sure there's a sticker in there. But we really care about what this looks like on the bike, right? So let's get down in the garage and let's throw it on. Okay guys, so as you can see, we've got everything taken off the air intake, including the backing plate here. It was attached, this wire was attached there. We got it taken off and we're just gonna kind of hang it back behind there. Now we need to get some grease, and we're gonna put a little bit of grease here. We're gonna put grease on here, 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 and here to hold everything in place. I already have the little breather plastic tubes already put into it. You can do that as well. So now let's get the little, I don't know, it's some sort of O-ring, but it's a seal right here. And then we'll put O-rings in here and here, and here and here. Then we're gonna lightly attach it with Loctite it on breather bolts. Just hold it on there, and then we'll torque everything down later. Okay, we got that on. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna put these three bolts into the frame here. These are gonna be down 8 to 10 foot-pounds, and then we're gonna torque down the breather bolts to 16 to 18 foot-pounds. And we're gonna put more blue thread lock around these. Okay, so we've got this kind of set up the way we want. There is a catch that comes with it, but I started thinking about it, and if I spew any oil towards this way, it's gonna get the cover really dirty. So I might reassess that in the future, but right now I just put the nice little nameplate on it. Now what we gotta do is put the little plexiglass cover into the front here, and then put the oil filter on top of it. I'm wearing gloves so they don't smudge it up and make it look nasty before I even get it on. So let's put the plexiglass piece in there. Try not to scratch it. Get in there so it sits. That's nice. Now I'm gonna take the oil filter, the air filter, excuse me, put it on top of it, like so. Get it so it's nice and snug, like that. I don't want to put it so that obviously the name goes down so it doesn't look wonky. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of that grease, put it around the seal here. And then we're just gonna screw in with the 5 supplied little screws there, use an Allen key, and just attach it to the, attach it like so. Let's do it. All right, dudes. That's it. This is the Arlen Ness Method Clear, so it's gonna look sweet when it's actually running. Not too difficult. Looks really dope, I think. If you guys like this, if you like this kind of content, if you want to see what happens next when we actually tune this bad boy up and see how it runs, hit the subscribe button, give me a like, give me a comment, and ride safe, dudes.
Hey guys, so as Ben already ended this video, this is coming after the fact. He was not going to show you his clear new method intake and how it moves the throttle body, so shame on him, but I convinced him it was worthwhile.